welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hi, Mel.
Hey, look at what we got.
Yeah, I know. I got ink on my fingers from doing it. I still don't understand what's going on.
Well, I'm trying to make some kind of like rainbow light using things that I find. Yep.
That's why you have a light.
I have this roll of paper. Not roll of paper. Roll of tape that I found, and I just took some off and I put some tape
on top.
Yep.
And then this was the cup.
Yeah, and I decided to try the cup. Yep. I just cut a portion.
Cut a plastic cup. Doesn't have to be clear, right? The important part is the tape is clear. So if I had like
if you had like a colored cup, that's fine.
That's totally okay.
It's just the top.
Look what I'm accidentally doing.
Wow, that's
so cool.
Super cool. Ooh. How about mine?
How easy. And so like all we did, you had me just color that with some like simple whatever markers.
Yes. Well, I think you used permanent markers though, right?
I used both.
Sharpie, yeah?
I started with Sharpie, and then I kind of was having a hard time with the Sharpie, so I used like just the water-based markers.
Isn't that cool?
But that's so cool.
That is so
different colors.
So easy.
Yeah, and this is all just stuff literally from the junk drawer in your kitchen.
Yep.
And if you don't have a puck light,
you can
I call this a puck light because it looks like a hockey puck.
Oh.
Right?
Okay.
But you can use any kind of like flashlight or
you can
even
use
your phone.
Yes, your phone.
How cool.
How cool is that? Wow, look at that. That's ours together.
You know, I was just about to say, you know what I want to try? I want to try doing like, one of just red and one of just yellow and one of just green.
That'd be neat.
And then when we shine it, see what it looks like, overlap.
Maybe somebody, one of our viewers can try that.
That would be super cool.
Someone do all red and someone do like
and then show it overlapping, or even do like
red and blue.
Like the layers. I don't know if you can do the layers of tape. Well, tape's sticky. That might be a little hard. But yeah, like I mean, just a plastic cup. I probably wouldn't use a whole roll of tape to do a lot of them.
Yeah.
But I would use a cut off plastic cup.
Yeah. You need the multiple
Super cool.
Super cool. All right.
Well, guys, if you liked this project idea as much as we did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you try any of this, please make sure to tag us in your video, and we'd love to see what you try at home. So, as always, subscribe for more Hands on Science, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.